Hey people, come with me today as we make something for lunch and dinner. And today I'm going to prepare lentils, green. Okay, I'm going to wash it, run water through it thoroughly well so that I take out all the dirt and all the Okay, we're done. Okay, now I'm going to put my onion. This is my new way of doing it. I'll put my red pepper. Stop the water. Put my garlic. Put my tomatoes. Now I'm going to put it on the stove. I'll cook it for like 35 minutes because lentils don't take long to boil. So see you in 35 minutes time. Okay, our lentils are ready. So I'm going to remove all the vegetables I put inside here so that I can blend it. Just the tomatoes, onions, and everything, as you will see. This is the garlic and more green pepper. Okay, that's it. I'm going to blend it now, just now. As I blend, I'm going to put this pan here so that I can put oil. It's empty. I'm going to put oil as I blend. Forgive the sound of my baby. I can't help it. She's around. So this is done. As you can see, it's all blended. This is how it looks like. Yeah. I'll put oil. As always, I use avocado oil. See? As this is getting ready, I'm going to put this in the pan and boil it. This is eggplant. Now I'll put everything that I've blended. Yeah. I'll put the dry spices. This is Reiko. This is curry powder. I measure using my eyes, just know what is enough. I mix it or stir it up. The smell is so good, the aroma. And now I'm going to add the lentils. Okay, I'm going to add. You forgive the mess that happens in the kitchen. Add a little bit of water using the blender that you use to blend everything so that everything can come out. I'll also add some green onions. Don't forget salt. I'm using pink salt, Himalaya. I use my eyes and then stir it a little bit. I'll give it like a few minutes, like 5 minutes. Then everything will be ready. Remember, I said we are giving it like 3 to 5 minutes for it to boil properly or cook well. And then I'll get it off. Then I'll show you the end result. Thank you. Okay, that is our end results of our lentil soup. So have fun and try it out and see how it tastes. Yummy.